but today we're at the Florida Super RV show here in Tampa, Florida. We're here to see our buddy Eddie from Slinky Stove. You'll remember the Slinky Stove. It's the stainless steel, fully collapsible fire pit that we've been taking with us. We've used it in 22 states across the country. Absolutely love this. In fact, we named it the best RV and overlanding product of 2025. Check out our video on that, and check out our video there where we break down the different parts of the Slinky Stove. But we're here today at the show so that we can meet with Eddie, and he's going to give us a sneak peek at the Gen 2 Slinky Stove that's about to roll out in the next 60 days. It's going to be a fantastic deal. I know they've added a lot of really cool features, taken a lot of the feedback that we've given him from use out in the field, and he's come out with this amazing Gen 2 that we're going to get to see today.
Hey guys, how are you today? This is the new Slinky Stove. It's a 23-inch patented collapsible fire pit. It's the only one of its kind. We hold the patents for it. This is how it works. So this is the wood one. This is a new iteration. We redid the Slinky Stove from the ground up. We now have tubular legs with a plastic tab here so it protects the surface. All the edges are round now, so there's no sharp edges here. And also we reinforced it. All the hardware is new, upgraded hardware. The handles have friction, so they stay in place and they're a lot thicker. The biggest innovation of all of them is that we figured out a way to make the Slinky Stove with propane and fire wood all in one. And this is how it works. This is the part. This is the ash pan. This fits normal size wood here, so it still has the same functions as always, and as you expand it out, it's wider, should be as much wood as you want. And it also has the most airflow of any other fire pit. Due to the nature of the design and the concentric rings, it creates a vacuum vortex, making it cleaner for air. Smokeless is all about the airflow, and the Slinky Stove has the most airflow of any fire pit. You're in a situation where you want, maybe you prefer propane, maybe you prefer wood, or there's a burn ban. All you simply have to do is remove this ash pan. You're going to insert this in. So now the Slinky Stove is a propane fire pit. The advantage of that now is you no longer need to carry a griddle, ragstone. You don't need to carry a propane fire pit. You don't need to carry a barbecue. You don't need to carry a wood fire pit. The Slinky Stove does it all in one. And the beautiful thing about that is that now when you're cooking, you can put the attachment. If you like to cook with a stainless steel pan, or you like to put the griddle on here. And the beautiful thing is that what no other pan does is that you're able to cook at different heights. If you're cooking a steak, you want to adjust the height. Also, if you don't want to use as much propane, you bring it down very close to there. And all of this is included with a lid. So this also works. This folds in, and you have a carrying handle here. It's all included. You can use as a table, watering, play cards, play games on. And all of that fits right in here, right in this carry bag. The legs fold in, and it's about 7 inches, 6 to 7 inches. Also, this is a pizza oven. So now you have the option to have a pizza oven that also is a patented revolutionary product that collapses onto itself. So that same pizza oven, you remove the chimney and it folds and it falls in, and you can put it in here. So this entire apparatus, which is a huge, it's a huge piece, all fits in 2 carrying bags. So take with you. Now we have electric ignition here. And we have an adjustable. It's something that just came together. We figured out how to be able to include it, both all in one. Because we were going to make a wood and we were going to make a propane. So you would have to either choose between one or the other. You don't have to choose anymore. That's that way. Good job.